All right, folks, we are here at one of my favorite local ponds. I know this pond has tons of fish in it, tons of bluegill, bass, and even catfish. So we're gonna see today if bass can bite some of the household snacks that I brought. So stay tuned. All right, here are some of the baits that I just grabbed from the house. We got goldfish baked. Don't know what this is. It says it's real fruit, mango flavored. We brought some type of peas, and the bait that most people are probably interested in is the kimchi. It looks a little different because I rinsed it off a little bit. Wasn't sure if spicy food would be bad for the bass. Most of you know, kimchi is a staple side dish for many Korean meals. It's really not a Korean meal if you don't have kimchi. It's almost like fries with a burger, even beer with pizza. Well, maybe not beer with pizza, but you get the point. Anyways, I'm curious to see what we can catch. Okay, I thought we could start with the most obvious in my mind, which would be the goldfish, since it is like bread, and we know fish like bread. So what I'm doing here, got a tiny hook, just going to thread it in there like that. There we go. I see a bunch of bluegill right here, right there. Let's see all this activity. Let's see if we could bring in the bass. Oh, they're munching it. Oh, they were. I don't know if you can pick up the green float. There are a ton of bluegill around it, as I expected. Figured they'd love this. It's not big ones, maybe 8 inches. Got it, got it. He looked at it, turned away. Get my drag right, and he came back for it. Woohoo! Awesome. Bass on the goldfish cracker. Thank you, sir. Get that hook out. Yeah, he looked at it, turned away, casted it again. He came back for it. Did not expect to catch a bass on the goldfish cracker. Thank you, little bass. Let you go. Goodbye. There he goes. That was awesome. I caught one on the goldfish. All right, I think we should move on to the next. Let's move on to the next one, which I think is going to be the toughest, which is the kimchi. All right, this is a piece of kimchi. Again, I just washed it a little bit because I wasn't sure if it was harmful for the fish, but I mean, it's basically just pickled cabbage. I'm just gonna cut off a little piece like that, and we'll put it on the same way. I'll hook it twice through and see what happens. All right, kimchi. Could this be the next revolutionary scent for fishermen? We'll see. Oh, something had it. No way. No freaking way. No freaking way. Oh my God, are you freaking kidding me? Are you kidding me? Look at this, on kimchi. What? What? No way. That was so fast. Look, it's still got the kimchi in the mouth. Look, I hooked it at the top. Wow. Unbelievable. Check this out. Look at this. Stay still. Look at that. The kimchi right there. Unbelievable. Wow. Wow, on kimchi right there. I mean, it's not a big one, but that was pretty fast. Thank you, sir. Look at this. Look at this. Watch, I'm gonna throw it right here. Let's see the fish. Right there. Boom. Wow. Folks, maybe we are onto something. Now there's no way I'm gonna catch 2 bass in a row. There's 1,000 bluegill right here. Unfreaking believable. All right, same way. Took it once. This is a bigger piece actually. I don't think it matters. Right there. It's casting in the same spot. It takes. Something's already got it. Just let him eat it. All right. My kimchi fall off? I do see a bat. Something's got it. What is this? Oh, little sunfish. Telling you guys, they love this pickled cabbage, also known as kimchi. All right. Wow. I am absolutely shocked. I am absolutely shocked. Look at this little guy right here. Thanks, buddy. See if we can find a bass. Right there. I see the kimchi taken off, but I think these are just too small. See it right there too. Oh yeah, see these tiny ones? See that? All right. Thank you for biting. Proving me wrong. See if we can catch one more bass before I head out of here. Okay. Before I cast. Just gonna let it sit there. Let it go under like that. What is this? Oh, I thought it was a baby bass for a second, but nope. Nope, another sunfish. Well, I think we safely say that fish love kimchi. And you know, the kimchi stays on there pretty good. What do I got here? All right, another sunfish. Thank you, sir. So what have we learned today? We learned that they like Korean food. All right, I'm going back to spot A. Mr. Diva's on this side. Before I go, I'm going to show you guys how many sunfish there are right in this little area. It's got some goldfish. Break them up. Check this out. Didn't help that it was into the wind. Most of the goldfish got on me, but it's all right.